Havit mechanical keyboard and mouse combo wired 89 keys, backlit gaming keyboard red switch, 4800 DPI mouse with 6 buttons, gaming mousepad for PC, gaming, computer, laptop. Hi, welcome my friend. Floating keys, full metal panel, 21 kinds of backlit, FN F9. Quiet red switches delivers accurate, responsive key commands for typing and gaming. Press FN plus backspace to turn on the numlock. The key's backlight is on and the number pad is working. Press FN plus backspace once again to turn off the numlock. The key's backlight is off and the number pad is locked, and home, delete, and end function keys are working. RGB gaming mouse, 7 kinds of RGB light gaming mouse, 6 dots per inch, 800/1600/2400/3200/4000/4800. Gaming housepad, non-slip surface gaming, high quality mesh surface, soft and not easy to deform. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.